Hi guys, and welcome back. Hopefully, this should be the last video in this series because I am tired of coding. Okay, so hopefully, this should be the last video in this series. And I know I told you guys that I was going to have a functionality where customers can change this to severity A if they want to. I would have loved to implement this, but I mean, I don't know if I should do that. Probably, let me see what you guys think though. Just let me know if it's something that you want me to work on, and I'll just make another video on this playlist and add that functionality. If not, we'll leave it as it is. All right. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be okay, so we're going to be looking at how we can um sorry, we're going to be seeing how we can mark this as resolved, right? Mark as resolved, click on save changes, and then it's going to save and this will be marked as resolved. Okay, so to do that, I think I've done this before in the previous ticketing system I built, but let me just see if I can remember. Let me see if my memory is that good. Okay, so let's come over to ticket first of all. Let's just close this out, right? Then come over to models, so we can see we have relationship resolution steps. So it's a text field, right? Okay, this is weird. Hold on. Before that, I can create a ticket. Wait, hold on. I don't think I migrated this. Let's just do something. Blank true. No true. I don't think I migrated this because if I did, I shouldn't. If I did, I should. I would have been able to create tickets. Just hold on, you guys. Let's see something. Solution steps. That's. Hold on, am I missing something? Py manage.py make migrations. Wow. So how come? Oh, that's actually weird. That's actually very weird. Cause wait. Oh, by default, I'm just actually confused right now. Run server because hold on. If this wasn't null and blank true, right? Except if you're telling me by default text fields can be blank or null. Wow. Maybe that's by default though. I'll have to read the documentation again. But anyway, let's do this very quickly. So to do that, I'm going to go over to views. All right, so let's just scroll down to the last thing here, and then we just do resolve tickets, and we do requests, and obviously we're going to go with the ticket ID, so ticket underscore ID. All right. Then what we're going to do now is we're just going to say. So first of all, we want to get that. No, hold on. Before we do anything, we're just going to say if requests dot method equals to post just say rs is equals to request dot posts dot get and then let's just call it rs. um, so what we can do now, obviously come over here and then we'll just do tickets. All right, tickets dot objects dot get. All right, and here we have ticket id and then we'll just say ticket id, no ticket id. Cool. Okay, so we can do rs. Okay, so we can just do ticket. No, so um ticket dot resolution steps, all right, equals to rs. So it's resolved, obviously it's going to be true. So ticket dot is resolved is going to be true, and we have ticket dot save. All right. What else? We just have messages dot success requests tickets is now resolved and closed. I mean, you can even extend this to send emails to the customer that the ticket has been resolved and closed, blah blah blah. If you want to do that. So another thing we are missing out is we want to actually change the status to resolved. All right. So we'll just copy this and then click on views, and then I want to do ticket.status status. All right. Equals just a result. All right. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? I think that's that. I think that's that actually. So go to urls.py and then let's see. We'll just do post. Sorry, not post. Oh, just the path. And we're gonna do tickets. Sorry. Resolve tickets. Okay. So views.resolve tickets. All right. So it's gonna be resolve tickets. Makes sense, right? Okay. Cool. So go over to views.py. All right. So we also need to pass in this ticket ID one word. Yeah. Okay. So URLs. Oh Lord. URLs.py. We need to pass in this. So we'll just copy this. All right. And then we'll just paste it in here. Cool, makes sense. Okay, so let's come over to templates, come over to ticket, um, this should be ticket details, right? All right, makes sense. All right, cool. So let's look at text area. Yeah, I think this is it. Yeah. So let's just put a name here. Let's call it rs. All right. So just do method posts. So the action obviously would be at URL call it resolve tickets, and then this is just going to be tickets.tickets underscore no ID, right? Okay, let me just be sure I call that resolve ticket to resolve ticket. Yeah, okay. All right, hold on, let's see. So this is the action. Okay. Okay. You guys just hold on. Let's see what I'm doing is right. I don't know. So if this doesn't work, I'm going to simply remove this modal thingy here because I don't know how I can connect the modal to the form now. I have to research that and implement it. But if it works, fine. Okay, well let's see if if it actually works. Okay, so I've been able to connect everything. Hopefully this works fine. Okay, server is running, and let's just open up this. So refresh. Okay, so what's it saying? Um, okay, hold on. That was a silly mistake that I did there. So I'll just have to remove this ticket thingy here. Ticket.ticket ID. Okay, so let's refresh again. So this should work fine. All right. So how the issue resolved? So let's just copy this. All right. So just copy and then paste in here. All right. So markers resolved and save changes. All right. So nothing is working. Okay. Let's see. Um, I think we have to remove this modal. I know there's a way to connect this, but I'm not just getting it properly, and it's so annoying. Oh, all right. So okay, so this is what we can do, right? We can do something. Let's see. So let's try something. So let's remove this. Um, let's take this here. All right. Let's put it inside this modal. Let's see. All right, and then let's just do um form. Yeah. Okay. I'm just trying to be very, very diplomatic here. Um. All right. All right. All right. So let's remove this as well too, and let's just format document, see how that looks. Okay. Which means we're just going to see like a button resolved ticket, right? Or mark as resolved, and then this comes up, and um. Okay, let's see how that looks actually from the browser. So we should. So this should. Okay. So mark as resolved. Or alternatively, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Um, hold on, hold on. Okay, so let's look. Let's just copy this or cut this out. All right, just paste it in here. All right, so just to format document, and that makes sense. Um, all right, so let's just connect the div. I think this closed by itself. Okay, so anyways, let's see. Nope, not this one. So let's refresh. Okay, so mark as resolved. This should come up. Oh, I don't like how this is looking. But okay, let's just see how we can. You know what? Let's just take everything back. Let me take everything back and start afresh. So everything looks good. Okay. All right, cool. So instead of having this, let's just copy. Let's copy this one here. Just come over to the bottom here, paste in here. All right, and just end all these ones here. Cool. All right. Come over to form and just copy everything here. Right. Okay. Copy everything. So that should be card body. Inside card body, we'll just do this, and then obviously the form. Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? All right. So let's do button. Button should be inside the form, obviously. So we're just going to put it in here. Okay. So let's just copy everything as it is, or cut rather, and we're going to put it in here. All right. Format document. All right. So let's come over here and let's just refresh. All right. So let's do mark as resolved. Okay. So let's just remove these two here. Right. I think we're same thing I even did last time. So we're just going to remove this footer from here, and let's see how that looks like. So refresh, mark as resolved. You know, let's just work with this. Let's just work with this actually. Or alternatively, um, I was trying to see something. Hold on. Put in resolution steps here. All right. Boom. Let's remove this. And I think this card body might be restricting some things. So let's remove this card body. See how it looks like. Let's take away this card and let's refresh. See how that looks like. Okay. Yes. So this makes sense, right? You can just call this save, right? Um, yeah. Okay, so let's try that. Um, so instead of calling this mark as resolved, hold on. Uh, we can just call this save, right? So we can just come over here and then just delete all these ones here. All right, so let's just format document. So everything looks good. Come over here. refresh, so you can see mark as resolved. All right, so click on mark as resolved. This comes up, and we can impute. Hold on, we can impute everything here. So we just copy this, mark as resolved, paste in here. All right, then hit save. Hopefully, when we hit save, we should have an error because I just realized something. This is not redirecting to anywhere, so we can just return redirect. Just take them back to dashboard. Okay, makes sense. Okay, cool. So let's do this again. So refresh, back as resolved. Paste this in here and then save. Okay, nothing happened. All right, save. Okay, that's very weird. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Um. Okay. Okay. All right. So you know, let's just have like a normal button inside the form. That wasn't inside the form. That was why. All right. So let's just take this and put it in here. All right. Then let's call this save. Then we'll just remove this button here. Right. And then this should work fine. I think the button was outside. That was why. So let's do mark as resolved. And just paste. No. Oh, I have to go back here. Copy everything. Ctrl C. Mark as resolved. And then paste. So we'll do save. Oh, okay. So we didn't do CSRF underscore token. The little things that matter a lot in Django. So let's refresh again. Mark as resolved. Paste this in here. Save. Now you can see ticket is now resolved and closed. Now you can see closed ticket is 1. Total ticket obviously 4 you picked so far, and then active tickets 3. Right. So from the customer's end, let's look at our Django tickets. We can see closed ticket is 1 as well too. We can obviously see active tickets. Active tickets should be shown as resolved, right? That makes sense. Oh, we can't see it here actually because it's with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can see 6 here. So we need to do this one to see resolve ticket, right? So that's very easy. Let's come over to now. Hold on. Now, when we resolve a ticket, right? Okay, we need to also check this out as well. So, okay, cool. So let's just do that very quickly. What's the time? All right. Customer active tickets, right? Hold on. Just to rename, copy everything here. Um, customer not active ticket, a result ticket, right? Is that called result ticket? Let's see. That's what I called it. Yeah, customer resolved ticket, right? Cool. So just copy everything from here and then just paste it in here. All right. Okay, so we're just going to call this. So let's go over to our template. Let's go over to base.html. So we're going to call this just copy this one here. All right, and then this one as well too. Customer resolve ticket. All right, so come over here and then let's refresh. Then resolve ticket. You can see this one says resolved, right? You can see it in red. So click on view details and then you can see how it was resolved. Does that make sense? So this is how it was resolved. I can just come over here and what I can do is ticket details. We can do, hold on. I'm looking for something. Let's come over to active tickets. I'm trying to get something. Yeah, this one. So just copy this, come over to ticket details. come over here and then, oh Lord, I didn't copy that very well. Ticket details again, drop this down, and then we'll just put in here resolution steps. All right, so obviously the customer can see the resolution steps and how the ticket will resolve, and obviously it's already marked as resolved. Now let me just quickly do it for the engineers as well too. um so let's call this engineer resolved underscore ticket.html. All right, come to active for engineer, just copy everything, engineer result, paste in here as well too, and this should be it. Then come over to base.html, right? um all right, then paste in here. Sorry, what am I doing? Okay, so call this resolved ticket as well to come over to engineers end, refresh. All right, so go to resolved, and what can we see? Template do not exist. Okay, all right, cool. So template doesn't exist. Very easy to solve. So come over here and then let's see what's going on. Engineer resolved ticket. What did I call this? Oh, I call this tickets instead of tickets. All right, cool. So let's come over here again and refresh. So we can see this is resolved to view details, and then we can see this, right? Because this is resolved, we cannot see any, resolved ticket again. But I will come over to active tickets. Obviously, come over here, and we can see mark as resolved for active tickets, right? So if we probably do issue resolved by itself, all right, and then we'll just click on save. All right, so we close that ticket out, and then we can see the ticket we just closed out, result ticket, and then we can see my PC cannot restart. So this was what we closed out now, and you can see this is it. So from the customer's end, this is how it looks like for the customer. Django tickets, you can see closed tickets 2, active ticket is 5, right? So you can see resolved tickets. Which one did we close again? I think it was this one here. So you can see it should resolve by itself. So that's basically the whole idea for this project. What else am I missing out again? What else am I missing out again? I think that's just that basically for the project. So any other thing again can be customized and tailored for similar experiences as well too. So I think this is where I'm going to stop for this project because I can go on and on and on and build more features and stuff like that, to make it better. But trust me, it can take months building this. So that's why when you have a product like this, actually, you have to obviously review it from time to time and update it and add more features, take away some things you feel might be obsolete, and still add more things to make it interesting. So that's just that for this series. Hope you enjoyed this one. Take your time to go through the videos I put out for this particular series. Is going to be awesome. And the source code, obviously, just support my channel by buying the source code for a fee of 10k. Not much money actually. Once you click on the link in the description box, you'll be able to buy and download the source code and obviously use it for your own project or to review or to make comparisons. All right. Thank you so much for your time and bye for now. Cheers.